Hello everyone. Last session we had discussed the hard questions. So in this session we will discuss more hard questions. So first, that is related to the chapter 3 where of a linear equation in two variable. I consider the question here. It is related to the speed and distance and time question. So it is based on that type of questions. Let us see here. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 6 km per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. Suppose you have to increase in speed, means you have to take the less amount of a time to cover the distance. So next one condition is given, and if the train were slow by 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Suppose we have to decrease our speed in our bike speed, means we will take the more time to cover the same distance or whatever you can consider that particular distance. So suppose you have to decrease our bike train or train speed, means it will take the more time. So you have to find out the distance of the journey. You have to find out total distance equal to how much. First one condition is given, or you can see here. Suppose we have to increase in speed, means we will take the less amount of a time. Suppose you have to decrease in speed, means we will take the more amount of a time. So first one condition is given here. Train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. So you don't know how much train you want to cover the distance. So that you have to find out. First one condition is given here. If the train would have been 6 kilometers per hour faster, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. Suppose speed is increased by the train, means you have to take the less amount of a time of scheduled time. Second one condition is given. If the train were slower by the 6 km per hour, it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. We have to find out the total distance of the train. So let us see here. First one step, let the speed of train equal to x kilometers per hour. Next, second one, let the time taken by train equal to y kilometer, hours or time you have to measure in hours. So that's why I have to write in hours, not kilometers. Okay. Speed you have to measure, that is the unit of speed is kilometer per hour, and the time unit is hours. So I have to write in hours. So speed of the train is x kilometer per hour, and the time taken by the train, that is y hours. And distance equal to how much now? Distance equal to, what is the formula of speed, distance or time? So you can write here speed equal to distance by time, or time equal to distance by speed, or you can write distance equal to time into speed. Any one you can write. Speed equal to distance by time, or time equal to distance by speed, or distance equal to time into speed. So very simple method or trick I want to solve in this session. So you can use any one method. Distance is required, that is speed into time or time into speed. So distance equal to x into y or xy. Total distance we can consider here initial, that is x into y or xy. Speed of the train is x km per hour. Time taken by the train, that is y hours. Distance is x y. According to the first one case 1 here given. If the train would have been 6 km faster, means speed is increased. Initial speed is how much? X. So here given 6 km faster, means increase in speed, that is x plus 6. This is the speed. X means x is the speed of the train. So suppose you have to increase in speed, how much you have to increase here? 6 km per hour. Increase means you have to add here x plus 6. Next, it would have taken 4 hours less than the scheduled time. So what is the time? That is 1. So less means how much? How much less? That is 4 hours. So here 6. For example, here given if the train would have been 6 kilometers faster and it would have taken 4 hours less. So suppose you have to increase in speed means time will be required that is less than the scheduled time, that is 4 hours you require the less, equal to total distance key value is xy. This method also, by this method also you can solve by this problem. So last session means last school session I solved this type of problem by different method. So this time also you can solve by this problem. So first one is you can consider the speed of the train is x and time is y, total distance is xy. So x is the speed of the train. Suppose you have to increase in speed, that is 6 km per hour, means it requires less hour, that is 4 hours less, equal to total distance. Now we have to simplify this, we will get x into y, xy. Next x into -2 minus 4x. Next step 6 into y plus 6y minus 6 4s are 24. 1 plus 1 minus, that is minus 21, equal to xy. So this is plus xy, that is also plus xy, will get cancelled because suppose you have to take from RHS to the LHS or LHS to the RHS means it become the negative sign. So xy term get cancelled. Remaining term is minus 4xy plus minus 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. This is a general form of a pair of a linear equation in two variable. So that's how I write equation number 1. So next one condition or next one case I am writing here. So next one case 2. Case 2 is given here. It would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Here given, if the train were slower by the 6 km per hour. Suppose in speed you have to decrease in speed means that is x is the initial speed. You have to decrease in speed. How much you have to decrease? 6 km per hour you have to decrease into, and it would have taken 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Suppose you have to increase in speed means you will take the less hour. Suppose you have to decrease in speed means you will take the more hours. So here given 6 hours more than the scheduled time. Scheduled time is y, 6 hours we require more. So equal to total distance want to cover, that is xy. So this is the second one case. Now we have to solve bracket means you will get in the form of pair of a linear equation in two variable, that is x into y, xy, x into 6, 6x minus 6 into y, 6y minus 6 plus 6 minus 36 equal to xy. So this is also plus xy, this is plus xy, get cancelled. Remaining terms 6x minus 6y minus 36 equal to 0. Common factor you can take. 6 is a common factor, minus 6 equal to 0. Next step, x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Into means it becomes divided by 0. So x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This is a pair of a linear equation in two variable, general form. Now we can compare the equation 1 and 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is minus 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. Suppose here also take the common factor minus or number 2 common factor means also will get same, or minus 2 also can take. Minus 2 common factor means it become 2 to the x plus become the minus because minus taken the outside. So 2 how much is 6, 2 3 is a minus means it become plus 2 how much is 24, 2 12 is 24 equal to 0. Next 2x minus 3y plus 2 1 0 into means it become the divided by minus 2. So 2x minus 3y plus 2y equal to 0. This is the first one equation. Second one equation is x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now you want to eliminate any one term by elimination method, means we will get the x or y term. So let us see here. Here 2x is given, here 3y, here also 3y is given. Better you have to multiply the second equation by 3, means you will get 3y, the coefficient of y and the coefficient of y will get the same. That's why I have to multiply the equation number 3, means we will get 2x minus 3y plus 2y equal to 0. 3 into x, 3x minus y into 3, 3y minus 3 6 are 18. So both are minus, means you can change the all sign. So plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. Minus 3x plus 2x minus x. Next step, total 20 plus 30 equal to 0. Next step we can write here. So x equal to minus x equal to minus 30. Minus minus get cancelled. So you have to write here x equal to 30 km per hour. X is the speed of the train. Now you have to substitute, put x equal to 30 in equation number 2 or 1. Better you have to select the equation number 2 because it is easy to solve. So you have to substitute in equation number 2. Second one equation you have to write here x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. X is how much? 30 minus y minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 30 minus 6 is minus 24. Y means minus y equal to 0. Next, plus 30 minus 6, that is plus 24. Greater is 30, backside is plus, that's what I write here, 24. So minus y equal to minus 24. Minus minus get cancelled. So y equal to 24. This is the time taken by the train, 24 hours. So we will require the total distance. Our last one sentence you have right here. The speed of the train x km per hour, that is equal to x is how much you got here? 30 km per hour, and the time taken by the train, that is y hours, is equal to 24 hours. The speed of the train we consider, that is x. Last one sentence you have to write. After the solution we can write conclusion. The speed of the train x km per hour, that is equal to 30 km per hour. The time taken by the train, that is y hours, is equal to 24 hours. Distance x into y, x is how much? 30 into 24. 24 into 3 is 24 into 3, 3 4 is 12, 6 and 7. 72, 720. 24 3 is 72, this 0 keep as it is, means you will get the 720 km. The train total distance covered by the train is 720 kilometers. So next session we will discuss more hard questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.